Well, it's a few days later since we've installed the Max Air fan, and what we've done is we've come somewhere nice and quiet so that we can test it. And as you can see out of here, it's somewhere nice and quiet. To test it. Oh, there's some bird poo on the window. That's supposed to be lucky. Is that lucky? Bird poo on the window? Oh. Anyway. So, what we're going to do is put some batteries into that remote control, please. My lovely assistant. So what I've done is, I'll just turn the camera around. This is the cable here for the fan, and what I've done is just temporarily just wired them to a wire, and if we follow this wire along, I've just wired it up to one of the lights wires, because we still have two wires at the back. Just turn around so you can see me. We've still got two wires at the back of the van, one on this side here and one on this side here, ready for when we put lights above the bed area. So the only way to really test this fan on the 12 volt system is to wire it up to these lights. So I've done that already. They've wired up to these light cables, which are 12 volts. The only thing is we're going to have to turn the lights on because we need power coming to it. So my lovely assistant, it's the one underneath. That's it. That's it, and the lights are on. So there's power now running through that. And the battery's in. Right, batteries are in. So let's try it. What number does that say it's on speed? 50%. So it started at 50%. So let's turn up the speed. And it's working fine with a 12 volt system. Is that blowing in or out? Pass me a tissue, lovely assistant Laura. Everybody needs a Laura. So there's a tissue. Is that blowing or sucking? That's blowing. Right, okay. So let's turn it the opposite way. Air in, out. So right, so it's now should be drawing air from the van outside. And it's on what, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, it's on 100% drawing air out of the vehicle. Actually, before I use this tissue up there, I'm just going to give that lens a bit of a wipe. That better?
Feel the air.
Okay, so now it's on drawing the air out. Oh no, it's not, it's still drawing in, I've not reversed it. Right, let's try again. Right, now we're going to reverse it to draw the air out. And that's drawing the air out. So that's on 100%, so you can hear how loud that is. So let's drop it down to 50%. 80, 70, 60, 50. So that's on 50%. It's quiet. I could sleep on that. I'm not too sure about the 100%, but I could definitely sleep on the 50%. Now let's try it blowing in on 50%. Yeah, I'll take this tissue. So I don't know if you can hear that. That's now blowing air in at 50%. Let's try 100% blowing air into the vehicle. And there's a nice breeze coming from there. Also, this fan has some manual options in case for any reason you lose the remote control or the batteries die. And my lovely assistant here, Laura, is going to show you how we do that. Okay, so there's the manual controls. And the one there is to open it and close it from inside the vehicle, and you just turn that there to open it. And then on the other side over here you've got all the same controls, maybe a little bit less than that's on the remote control. Laura, do you want to turn that on for us? And increase the speed. I think you've done it. And lower it down again. And what about the reverse? No, that's off. Yeah, that one. Yep, that works fine. And I don't know if you can see there's a little dome. That's the remote control sensor. So, just zoom back out again, 1 minute. And now we'll just take you outside to show you opening and closing the remote control. Okay, lovely assistants, will you open the fan? Right, can we do this again? And this time point it at the actual fan when you're doing it.
Oh, have you got to point it? Didn't know you had to point it, I'm going.
Right, we'll do this again, but this time she'll actually point the remote control at the fan and not outside to God knows where.
Go on.
Okay, lovely assistant, will you open the fan? And now, my lovely assistants, will you close the fan? So, that all works fine on the 12-volt system. I have to say that I am very impressed with this Max Air fan. I will probably do another review in a few months when it's been tried and tested. It's all very well saying that after the first couple of days having it and the first day trying it, but it seems to be working fine. Thank you all our subscribers for subscribing again, and thank you to everybody for watching. We'll see you again next time. Cheerio!